Well, holy fucking shit. Day 1 of challenge time. And I'm done. Seriously. Didn't expect that the first challenge... I did expect that it would be hard, but not that hard. So, what do I want to say? Yeah, I've just finished the task I challenged myself. And that was at first 10 kilometers of running. I did about 1 hour. I think it was a bit less than 10 kilometers. Yeah, I just run in my comfortable pacing, and after half of the track I get how do I say stomach peaks, yeah, and then it was just continuing running until 53 minutes, and I had to take off 1 minute or 1.5 and then continued the rest of the track. And after that I packed my backpack and get to this lake to swim. Half an hour. I did 26 minutes, one pacing and another, or one track and another. And at the end my muscles were this tight, so I think it was very good. And yeah, that was actually the challenge, the task for today, and I'll see what's next. So if you like this challenge, you can try it out or make it a little bit more to your level of fitness or to your average, and just get out in nature, enjoy, and I'll see you around the next time. Peace.
And we're in here talking about practice. I mean, listen, we talking about practice. I'm supposed to be the franchise player, and we're in here talking about practice. I mean, listen.